A short story about peace. There was a problem for the sheep breeder because of his neighbor's dogs that were chasing and killing his sheep. And when this went on for a long time, the shepherd decided to take action. So what would his reaction be from your point of view? He could have filed a lawsuit, and he certainly had the right to kill his neighbor's dogs if they trespassed on his property. He could also have built a larger fence between himself and his neighbor. However, he chose none of these options. Instead, he had a better idea. He gave a lamb to each of his neighbor's children, and soon each child had a small flock of sheep. The children began tying up their dogs to protect their own sheep, and they used to play with the sheep every day. Thus, the problem of sheep killing was resolved peacefully. My dear friend, evil is only overcome by goodness, so be keen on preserving peace with those around you, even if it means sacrificing some of your rights or enduring some insults. Your right to peace is more precious than dignity or any material possession, because if you lose your peace, you lose your life. It's impossible to maintain inner peace while insisting on conflict with those around you. Let love triumph over hatred. Let affection triumph over animosity. And let peace triumph over discord.